Okay, so I forgot. So there's one. This is actually not even clipped on the panel itself. There's like this latch. See that? So you just have to pull it and then latch it on there. So don't forget to put that back once you put the diffuser back on, because you'll have a hard time trying to see where this exactly is once the diffuser is on. And then what else? Yeah, so just remember, remove the screw here, and there's once you take this panel off, there's a screw here, and then there's a clip, and so it's reversed, so it's inside. Just find it, pry it, and then once that comes off, you'll be able to pull this down a bit, and then put your like this plastic push pin, and then once you push it, when you push this underneath, pull the diffuser, and it will come off. And then usually, like when two of them come off, it's easy to just like pull the diffuser, and so you'll be able to pull the diffuser off until you reach this portion. There's a screw that holds the diffuser, and so for you to be able to remove the whole diffuser, you have to remove these two screws. It's easier to reach once the panel is loose, and so I did it without a jack. Man, but it took a lot of time, to longer than the time that Adro says you can install it. I would say it probably took me an hour and a half. Yeah, so hopefully that helps anybody out there doing this on their own and without a jack and by yourself. All right, I will post the final product when the diffuser is on. All right, thanks for watching.